Today we're going to make a really delicious and super simple bread recipe. It only requires 2 ingredients. Those 2 ingredients are plain Greek yogurt and self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, it's really easy to make. You probably already have the ingredients in your pantry to do so. So all you need per 1 cup of all-purpose flour, you add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt. That's it. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is add 1 cup's worth of our Greek yogurt into this mixing bowl. We're now gonna put this in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Now all you have to do is sift in your flour. So here's 2 cups worth. Just going to give this a mix here. Perfect, let's put this aside and let's put some flour on our counter. Now we need to knead our dough. So I've been kneading this dough for roughly 10 to 15 minutes, and here I have this nice smooth ball here. And I'm just gonna roll it out now so I can portion the dough. Let's get our cutting board. Let's give him a nice smack. That's the shape that we're gonna get for these buns. We're gonna make them kind of look like English muffins almost. Now all we have to do is cook these up. Got my burner here and my cast iron pan. I'm gonna put the heat to a low temperature. Gonna lightly add some olive oil. Okay, let's add a couple of these on. And then I wanna cover this. This isn't the right lid, but I think this will do the trick. Let's give these a flip. Starting to smell real good. And another 10 minutes. Our first batch should be done now. Okay, that's basically it. Let's try these 2 pieces out. Ooh, still a little bit hot. Let's cut into that. If you cut it with a knife, you get a nice smooth surface like that. However, there's a little trick. Some people might call me crazy, but if you use a fork, ooh, still pretty hot actually. And you just rotate the fork around while kind of jabbing it like this. It's gonna make the bread a lot fluffier in the inside. And it actually makes it look a little bit more appetizing. This process would be a lot quicker if it wasn't burning my hand right now at the same time. Because it was hot, I didn't make the best cut there, but if you can evenly rotate the fork around, you should get a nice fluffy surface like that. Compared to a knife cut, I think that looks way better. Since we have some extra Greek yogurt as well, I'm gonna make a quick Greek yogurt sauce. Very simple. Let's take some of that Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup's worth. If you know me at all, I love spicy foods, so I'm gonna add some Tabasco. A dash of pepper. Give this a quick mix. Ooh, I like it. Let's just add some of that spicy yogurt sauce that I just quickly whipped up there. Throw on some slices of cheese. And let's grab a slice of this Italian roasted chicken. That's it. Bon appetit. That's delicious. And folks, that's all you have to do to make really quick and easy delicious bread using 2 ingredients. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you really try this at home. It's really simple to do and it's really, really delicious. Take care, everyone. And if you're not already, follow us on Instagram at Gute Food. And look who's here to visit. Hey, Lil.